Scatter everywhere.
Because I feel say any time when you dey happy biggie, they remember you. But not to they talk. Ah, God, how do I? This cold is too much. I mean, what you they do? What is this? Phyna, what is this? Ha! Now, wow! God! God, help me! God! But most times I'm not, my opinion is not always in agreement with a lot of people.
So like you're saying that immediately you said they used to come at you or something.
What did you say?
Like immediately you say it, they used to come at you.
Not really.
You just feel it's not accepted.
Not like it's not accepted. Most of them make sense. Like when I brought my opinion about this play, it made sense.
No, you saying that. Like okay,
it was me that brought that Diana thing now and Sheikh's own. Before they now said, okay, since Groovy already owns the store, that they should do it as Groovy shop. Then Adekule now said that we should name it Small Challenge. It was me that said we should use our lives, like our own personal lives. It was me that said it right now. But Rebecca, we've said enough. Anyhow they want to do it, let's just do it. The most important thing is for us to act well. For me, I just feel like the main idea for the concept of the small episodes has been lost. Not like it's not funny, but our purpose, like it now looks like we no longer have a purpose.
We're just doing...
Yes, like we're just doing random comedy. And I feel I just feel like every work of art should have a purpose.
I feel I was making it look like that, see if it is skit or something. I see we two do this.
I'm with two do this, so I'm not fixing myself.
Me. Listen, one know the pitch again. The guy go.
Which one know the pitch?
I swear. But you is rapping like shawarma.